Hello everybody. You know the earth leakage circuit breaker. It is a circuit breaker that have protect us from electrocution. Today I will help you. I will say to you how to test the earth leakage circuit breaker. Here we have three ways to test the breaker. The first way is to turn on it. Turn off. Turn on now. And we will press the red button on the top. And you see the breaker immediately tripped. That means the breaker is still good. It still works well. But if you press this button but the breaker won't trip, that means the breaker is broken and you have to change the new one. The second way is very simple. That means we have to create the leakage current. That means we have to let the hot wire touches the earth. So the leakage current will be great and the circuit breaker will trip. Now I will plug in now. And I will put some water here. Some water here, and now I will. No. You cannot test like this because the breaker cannot trip because the leakage current is not enough to the CB to trip. But with test it's okay. Thì mình nói với các bạn một điều luôn á, là cái CB chống giật này nè các bạn, là mình vẫn có nguy cơ gặp tai nạn do điện giật nha. Đây các bạn thấy không, mình quẹt đất nè nhưng mà cái CB nó không nhảy được các bạn nhé. Nó không nhảy luôn. Nhưng mà mình test thì vẫn ok bình thường. Cho nên khi mà mình dùng CB chống giật là mình vẫn không được chủ quan về điện các bạn nhé. So that's why when we use the earth leakage circuit breaker, but we still can be electrocuted. So when you use the earth leakage circuit breaker, you must still be careful, and we have to do a safety precautions of the electricity. That means you don't touch the electrical wires and the electrical sockets must be covered if your house has some children. And when you fix the electricity, you have to cut the power. You have to turn off the circuit breaker before you fix. And when you fix the electricity, before you touch the wire, you have to use the tester to test again to make sure that there are no more currents in the circuit. The third way is not simple. That means we will use the light. One wire of the light we will connect with the hot wire under the circuit breaker. And now the other wire, I will touch the neutral wire on the circuit breaker, and we will. Okay, I plug in the power now. I will turn on the CB. And the electric wire, I will touch the neutral wire. You see, the light has on and the CB tripped. That means the CB is still good. And this is the third way. You can apply the first way, that means you press the test button. Or the third way, that means you use the light bulb to test. And you cannot apply the second way because the leakage current is not enough to trip this CB. The leakage current is lower than 30 milliamperes, so the CB cannot trip. So I tell you that the earth leakage circuit breaker, we have this, but we still can get electrocuted. We still can have electrocution. So we have to protect ourselves.